The little fish. In a sea, a little fish was playing with his grandmother. After some time, the grandmother sat on a rock and said to her grandson, "Son, I am too tired to swim anymore. If you want to swim, you can, but don't go far or else the shark will eat you up." The little fish didn't pay attention and jumping here and there went far from his grandmother. Suddenly, he saw a big shark coming towards him. He got frightened. He asked everyone to help him, but no one came forward. At last, the octopus agreed to help him. He asked the little fish to hide behind him. When the shark moved ahead, the octopus asked him to go to his grandmother. The little fish promised to listen to her elders. From that day,